Learn how to whiten your sofa covers. By using these 4 ingredients. You'll need 1 cup Awesome Orange All-Purpose Cleaner, 1/2 cup Awesome Laundry Spray, a 1/4 cup Gain detergent, any scent you like, and 4 cups of warm water, and 1 scrub brush. Using a scrub brush, mix the solution well. It should be sudsy. Wipe off any dirt or debris before you get it wet. Dip your brush into the solution, give it a good swirl, and then begin brushing it onto the dirty stains. You'll want to saturate the area really well. Now gently scrub back and forth for at least a minute to 2 minutes, or until you see the stain starting to release. Let the solution sit on the stain for about 5 minutes. Scrub again and then toss into the washing machine. I use the industrial machines at our local laundromat. Within a few minutes, I can already see a difference, can't you? By the way, one of my favorite smells is a laundromat. Now when I go to the laundromat, I usually do this to the sofa covers twice a year, unless my Husky's been extra naughty. People come inside my home or see my videos and they always ask, how can you possibly have a Siberian Husky, teenagers, which they're beyond teenagers now, grandchildren, and still have white sofas? But I say it's easy. I got slip-covered sofas, and they're so easy to wash, and they're made out of very strong duck material. I wouldn't have anything else. Thank you for watching our little homestead. Be sure and subscribe. Comment any ideas or advice you have down below. We love you. Go with God. Blessings. Subscribe.